Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be preparing a little sweet treat. This is the Betty Crocker mug treats, specifically the rainbow chip cake mix variety. But for all of these, for the most part, your ingredients needed and your items needed are pretty much the same. So we've got everything that we need assembled here today. You're of course going to need your mug treats, which is your icing pouch and your mix pouch. You're going to need a microwavable vessel to put this in, and then you're going to need a tablespoon measure and something to stir this up with, and you can use milk or water. I always recommend milk though if you have it. And then you're of course going to need a microwave to be able to heat this up in. First thing that we need to do is open up our cake mix and put it into our mug with 3 tablespoons of milk or water. Now let's go ahead and give this a little stir. The cuter the utensil, the better. As you stir, just be mindful to make sure that you're getting out all of the large clumps. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. And then we're just going to pop this into the microwave for about 1 minute. If you have a standard large kitchen microwave, do 1 minute. If you have like a 700-watt microwave, you might have to do 1:15 to 1:20, but generally speaking, 1 minute should be just fine. So here is our mug treat cake after 1 minute. You can see that it has puffed up considerably and it is definitely springy to the touch and done. So now you could go ahead and frost this immediately. And if you do that, the frosting will kind of melt a little bit and sink into the cake. That makes it nice and delicious. But if you want a more traditional cake-like experience, then I would recommend letting this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool completely to the touch, and then go ahead and apply your frosting to it. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. So here you have it, the completed Betty Crocker mug treats, specifically rainbow chip cake. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase it again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.